Choosing the axis of the first decking line is crucial. In general, we choose to start from the edge of the wall or the edge of the deck. Whatever the choice, it is important to limit the longitudinal cuts of the decking. And if these cuts are unavoidable, the option that limits the visual impact of the cuts should be chosen. In the case of Jacky's deck, we have this staircase hopper on the right. The inward angle of the hopper is a point that will catch the eye. It would therefore be a shame to have a decking cutout at this location. We have therefore chosen this axis for the first row of decking. They are made of robinia. The first line must be perfectly straight and parallel to the wall. The ends of the decking must be pre-drilled. We made a tracing pattern in a piece of thin sheet material. Jacky uses a double-stage drill bit, which allows you to pre-drill and mill a bowl in a single operation. To fix the gaps between the decking, Jacky uses wooden wedges that he has made himself. But the most effective way is to use PVC shims. For the occasion, Jacky has equipped himself with a magnificent radial sawing table. Models for the general public, which are smaller but sufficiently effective, can of course be used. This equipment allows precise and safe cutting. We are lucky. The last rows seem to adjust almost correctly with the threshold. We'll adjust them by playing with the thickness of the shims. It often happens that some decking is not completely straight. Fortunately, it's easy to straighten it out at the time of installation. To do this, the convex side of the decking must be pressed against the existing installed decking. The decking is wedged in, particularly in the middle. We fix one end and straighten up at the other end. The decking against the facade must be slightly cut lengthwise. Before installing the last row of decking, the length of the joists is adjusted to avoid cutting the decking across the width. The frontage joist is then fixed, and the last row of decking can be installed. At this stage, all the blades are fixed, but only at their ends. To complete the work, it is necessary to fix them in their centers.
Ah, forcément. Là, on va mettre ça. Là, c'est suffisant.